Does that taste good? Oh my gosh. He's so following me. This is my buddy. I almost want to pet him. Oh, we got birds. We got birds. Oh yeah, watch your jet, bro.
Put your bucket down.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye.
Oh, the white one's following me, bro.
Careful, careful.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
One's over there. Look at that thing running.
Whoa!
Whoa!
He's coming right at
Whoa!
us.
He's like, I'm getting me some food.
Wow, this is so cool. I'm taking a
Oh,
video.
that's fun.
I need some.
Yeah, just throw it up.
Cute buddy.
No. Oh, llama.
Hi. How are you?
Here.
Oh,
Is it good?
okay.
Cows.
Whoa.
Okay, all done. All done, dude.
Look at that huge moose thing. What is that? What
Okay, all
is
done.
it?
All done, dude. You're ready?
Yeah, I'll feed it. Here.
What is that?
Hey, buddy.
Oh, look at.
Here.
He's creeping.
All done. Oh, relax, bro.
What's up, bro?
You got your bucket. Llama in my tummy.
Oh, it's kind of like locked up.
There's a zebra. The zebra's coming. Oh! Save your feet for the zebra. Man, I've never been close to a zebra like that. Look at it. I've never been close to a zebra. Watch out. All right. What are you doing, mister? Whoa.
You ain't got no.
Never saw a zebra.
Me either. In person, it's like Madagascar.
Oh, look at that.
Bro, I can see his teeth.
Outside, you're Robin.
He's not like using his tongue. You're just
Dumping it in the car.
He's using his teeth, bro. Yeah, I'll go.
Ooh, look how pretty this one is.
Probably not close to it. Oh, this is more fun.
Look at Bambi. Emma, can you see the Bambi right there? Oh, so cute. I pet him.
Yeah, antelope. Hey!
Watch
come
it.
on.
Take a bite, dude. Watch it.
Bro, he was hungry.
Aww. This is an ostrich, right?
Yeah, it's an ostrich.
Ooh, like bird.
No, the ostrich is different.
Hey guys. Oh, he's like, he totally dissed you. Jeremy got dissed by a llama.
I don't want you to cheat anyway.
That llama's a bastard.
That llama had no love for you.
You can starve.
No love.
Say hi, Emma.
No love, no buzz.
No love for Jeremy. Okay.
Yeah, London.
Does that hurt? Looks like it's just like tossing the food out of the bucket.
Okay, I think that's good now. I think that's good. You want more? Okay, I think that's good. Yeah. Yeah.
Part 2.
Ooh, ooh.
Hello. Hello. Oh, he's like
I was like, I don't
going
know
up
about
like he's
you.
interested. He's like, okay, I see you
Where's your bowl?
Huh?
Come here.
guys. Yeah, where's your bowl?
Show me your bowl, bud.
He's
Yeah,
like,
it's
hold the bowl up, hold the
Give
bowl.
me some food.
Hey. Yeah,
Oh,
shake the
nice.
bowl.
Oh.
Ow, you got my thumb.
Are you serious?
Try it.
Oh my
That was absolutely hilarious.
Oh my
Oh my god, I'm crying.
Oh my god. That one did not like that.
Feet all over the seat.
Just put it back in.
Oh gosh, that was so funny.
Yeah, I would definitely get your hand.
Oh, they're petty.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Here. Buddy.
Whoa, that is insane. I've always wanted to get close to one of these things. Oh gosh, I'm scared.
Oh,
Yeah, pet
big boy.
Oh wow.
Emma, pet it, please. Emma.
It's nice, look, it's nice.
Emma, look it. Holy cow.
It's a big mouth.
Hi. The big eyes.
You want some to feed it?
If I have my own bucket, I would.
Whoa.
Like I fed it by my hand.
I only want to feed giraffe.
Bruh.
I only want to feed giraffe.
His tongue went like.
Hi. Hello.
Wow.
Hello.
Mommy on camera.
No food, sorry.
Oh, maybe there is food. Yep. From the ostrich. Yep. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Bye.
Hello.
I felt something.
Oh
breathing.
wow.
I felt something breathing on me. I was like, is that Emma or? And then
Got
all I
nothing
saw
else,
is this
buddy.
big old head in the
You're
car.
good. You're good.
Sorry, guys. I didn't mean
Wow.
Oh.
Ew.
Hello. You say hi? You're
Wow.
soft. You're so soft.
Can I pet? Can I pet?
Oh, wow. I don't have any feed, guys. Sorry.
Robbie, look how nice this.
Whoa. Mom.
I was holding my phone the entire time and it wasn't even recording. Wow. I didn't. No.
Pet him. He's nice. He's nice.
You sound like it. Like, so I thought he was
Yeah, he's like,
Wow.
no.
Wow.
So small.
Okay.
He's like, I don't want to move from this position.
Yay.
Is there any more? Robert, there's a baby over here.
That was crazy how all those birds just flew like that. You okay, Emma?
That was so
Yeah.
cool.
Can you have it?
You want me to take it from you?